Hey guys, welcome back. Out here in the Florida Keys bridge fishing today. Out here with Jeff from Project Rio. They said that it was gonna light winds today. That was totally wrong. The water's a bit murky. It's high tide. Stay tuned. Let's see what we catch. All right guys, bait we're using today are live pinfish. I also have frozen ballyhoo, and I'm gonna go ahead and set up the chum now. Oh, sorry, you were recording? Yeah, my bad. I kept going. I thought you were talking about like, oh, I thought you were talking to me.
You're like, yeah.
You're probably like, yo, what's wrong with him, bro? As always, guys, make sure to throw away your trash. Guys, I'm on my pinfish. Whoa, holy crap. Bro, what is it, a shark? Damn. Am I recording? Sam. Might be a shark though. Whew. Jeff, that other rod, that big rod that I have out, not the big one, the little one, yeah, that one. Am I over or under? Let me go over you? Yeah, over. Perfect, awesome. Jeff, get the net. I think it's a jack. I think. Yeah, it's a jack. A big old jack. Oh, the CUDA's about to eat him. That's probably my PB jack.
Nice one, brother.
Thanks, man. On the pin, dude.
Very nice.
I was hoping it was yeah, you got it.
Nice
Awesome.
one.
Awesome. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Whew. Holy crap, it fell hard. Alright, not bad.
Hold on. Let's get him here so he doesn't get tangled on there.
Yeah, let's go that way so we Awesome. Thank you so much, Jeff. Let me measure it real quick. Alright guys, he is, that's my PB jack. He's 24 inches. Alright guys, check it out. I left my Penn Senator 4.0 and I brought my Squall 50 wide. It's rigged right now for a shark. This is a 174 pound wire, has a 12-aught circle hook. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and rig it for a grouper. See what happens. Oh, he let go.
You let go?
Nope, he's on. He's on. He's on. Yeah. Woo!
You gonna reel anything up?
No, I'll bring him back. Am I recording?
Look over here. Yeah, you are.
Okay.
Stuck on this road. I feel him on this one, alright?
Okay. You're good. So far, I'm good.
Let's bring him up to him. He's right here, he's right here. Come over here, come over here. Come over here.
Come on.
Come over here, come over
Am I over you?
here. Come over here.
What is he, a jack again?
It looks, yeah,
Yeah, jack. This one's bigger though.
He's going under, he's going under.
Come on. Go ahead. Bring it towards you. Awesome.
go,
Thank
brother.
you, Jeff. You're the man, bro.
Nice one, man.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. This one might be bigger, I guess. Maybe.
Yeah, it's a little bit bigger.
Bro, I tangled your thing. I'll just cut. No worries. All right, Jeff. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it, man.
Congratulations, Jack number 2.
Yeah. That rod never gets hit, bro. And today, all of a sudden, wants to get hit left and right. I keep hoping it's a mutton.
One day it will be.
Thanks. Hold on, buddy. I'll let you go. All right, this one I believe is smaller. Yeah, this one's smaller. This one is 22.5. This one's smaller. Fight hard though. Just let him go.
Wanna follow you on your YouTube channel.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate
What
it.
is it called?
XtremeH18.
Extreme
H18.
I'll show you.
Thank you, bro. Hey, I appreciate it, man. What's your name? What's your name?
Ray.
Ray.
I'm Chad's friend.
Oh, really? All right, good, bro. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, I'm recording. I'm putting you on YouTube.
All right.
All right? Dale, bro. Dale.
Nice. There
Ooh.
There you go, my friend.
Oof. Ooh, what the hell is it, dude?
I don't know, but
Holy crap, we're talking crap about the ballyhoo. I don't think it's anything big. It might be a... The hell is that?
small mutton.
Okay. Small little one.
Nice one, buddy.
All right. Why don't you hit the pin, buddy? All right, cool.
Tell your grandpa to hit the pin.
Yeah, tell your grandpa. Well, not on this rod though. Not on this rod.
That would be fun, bro.
Yeah.
That would be fun.
Yeah. Check it out, guys. Nice little mutton. Let's let him go. All right, guys. Jeff is on. You want me to reel in these rods or what?
Yeah.
That's a
Yeah,
beast.
if you want to.
Go underneath this one. Come here, come here. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's a beast what you have on, dude.
Hey, I gotta go under this one.
That's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
Yep.
That's fine. Go, keep going, keep going. Hang on.
Wait's coming up, wait's coming up.
Go ahead. Don't lose him, don't lose him. Don't lose the rod, don't lose the rod.
It's coming up, wait. It's coming up.
I need to get the net, bro.
It's all right. One thing at a time. Let's get this wig up.
All right.
Let's see what he gets first. Did I, bro? Because I wasn't even looking.
Another jack, another jack. Come here, let me get the weight. Let me get the weight real quick.
There you go.
Got it.
Awesome.
Got it. Right there. Hold on, let me get the...
Oh, the cooter's after him. Oh.
You could have got him?
He broke off.
He broke off?
Yeah.
He spit the hook, I
Yeah,
think.
he spit the hook.
Nice.
He was freaking out because I cooler
Nice, bro. Good job, bro.
Oh,
They gave you a
thanks,
good fight, huh?
Yeah, it did.
Wow.
Jesus.
Holy crap, good, man. Guys, check it out. An American bald eagle. Holy crap, that is awesome.
It's American bald eagle we spotted out here.
Wow. All right, guys, we're done for the day. It's pretty hot out here. Nothing but jacks today. Nothing but jacks. And the action seemed to be in the morning. Now in the afternoon, the bite just completely stopped. Check out Project Reel. I'll leave the link in the description below. And good job.
Thank you, bro. I'm trying to get to that 1,000, guys. If you guys can help me out, bro, that'd be great. I really appreciate it, man.
Come on, guys. Let's make it happen. Check out his channel. Head over and subscribe. Let's get him to 1K and above. All right. As always, thank you guys for watching.